my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you entryway decor. This is my previous apartment guys, so I always go from time to time to help with the decor because the person that live in there, so we just very close, and I always go to do some decor. I really like the distress look and the color. If you are somebody that love neutral and earth tone, more natural, this one can be a very good option. Inside the box they have a manual instruction that's gonna help you put everything together, so you don't need to buy anything else. Everything that you need is already inside the package. But guys, I can tell you it takes a quite time to put together. As you can see the process, and guys, it's another good way if you don't like people to wear shoes inside your house, and you can just have this one in front of your door. Okay guys, once everything is put together, that's the way it look. So let me know down below if you like it. So the flower arrangement, I made it myself, so it's another great way again to save money. And the inside of it, the drawer, it's very functional, and you can put your keys and everything that you need, your shoes. And if you have a bigger entryway, you can always buy two to put it together so you can have the full look. But since this entryway is a little bit smaller, one can do the trick. But guys, I have other colors to choose from. I really like the design, how it look, and guys, it make the entryway look very nice. So if you're something like that interests you, feel free to check the box down below. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know in my channel guys. I do product if you like today, clean with me, DIY. And guys, if you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Guys, like I said, they have a variety of colors, so you can choose from. The black, it's pretty nice guys, so you can go check them out. And this flower is my DIY. I really love the DIY guys, like that I save a lot of money. Like this flower arrangement, I made it myself. It was fuller. I removed a couple flowers on it, and guys, as you can see, it's pretty nice for the price that you're going to pay play sale. So this one can be a good option guys. As you can see, inside the cabinet is very functional, very large, so if you want to put everything, you don't let people walk in your home with shoes, this is a very good option. The rug from Amazon, and the vase in the entryway from Home Goods. So guys, as you can see, it's very functional. If you're looking for something like that, make sure to check the description box if something like that interests you guys. This video was very short guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.